Every morning, before Americans check their phones, before they brush their teeth, before they even open both eyes, they reach for coffee. But why? Why is the coffee the unofficial national drink of the United States? Let's take a hot caffeinated dive into the obsession that fuels America. Believe it or not, America was not always a coffee country. In the early days, tea was the popular choice. That is, until the Boston Tea Party, when colonists dumped British tea into the harbor as a protest. After that, tea became too British. Coffee became patriotic. During World War II, American soldiers were given coffee in their rations. And when they came home, the love for coffee came with them. Coffee became more than a drink. It became American. Fast forward to today. America runs on hustle. Early mornings, long commutes, late nights, side gigs. We are busy. We are tired. And coffee? It's how we survive it all. It's the silent co-worker at every meeting. The passenger in every carpool. The only thing that makes Monday barely tolerable. Coffee is how Americans turn I can't into I might as well try. But coffee is more than caffeine, it's culture. In America, coffee is not something you drink. It's a lifestyle, a comfort, a daily ritual. From the Starbucks run to the home-brew, from fancy espresso machines to instant coffee in the office break room. We don't just drink coffee, we post about it. We buy mugs with quotes like "but first coffee." We associate with it productivity, comfort, and even identity. And in some homes, a coffee maker is more important than the microwave. So why does it work? Caffeine blocks adenosine, the chemical that makes you feel sleepy. When that happens, your brain basically says, hey, we are awake, let's go. That's why within 10 to 15 minutes of drinking coffee, most people feel sharper, happier, and more alive.